Thai Travel Agents Association, founded in 1984 as the Ticket Agents Association or Travel Agents Association (TAA), which is a gathering of business operators traveling abroad and airline ticket agent business, with the main objective to promote and raise the standard of such business operations for members. Later in 1991, the name of the Ticket Agents Association (TAA) was changed to the Thai Travel Agents Association or TTAA. The name is used until the present to reflect the Tourism Association in Thailand and to have a meaning that covers more of the tourism business. The work of the Association of Presidents and Directors throughout 40 years, many obstacles and problems have been encountered due to changes in the marketing environment and travel behavior of tourists. This has caused the association to adapt and its working concepts to have more flexible and strong capabilities. Especially in the last 10 years, the association has laid down guidelines for organizing a strategic committee to separate missions to cover and interact in creating a stronger network. Emphasis has been placed on training and internal management processes that have become more efficient in the past. Whether organizing TITF, B2B and training events, most importantly, the association has financial status, stronger fiscal policy until now. All of them are working with potential from the management and excellent support from the members all the time. As for the Thai Travel Agents Association (TTAA), it has been successful in its management, resulting in an increase in the number of members every year from entrepreneurs all over the country. In the past year, the current association president and executive committee have been dedicated to their mission, take responsibility for various related matters to the best of their ability, whether it is administrative aspect and relationships within the organization. TTAA has received awards and recognition from outside agencies, received the Outstanding Trade Association Award for 8 consecutive years from 2015 to 2023. Organize member meetings by specifying various themes and programs, inviting various wholesale airlines to update information for members beneficial to members' business operations, preparing the association directory for the year 2022 to 2024. Organize a party, chill out and meet with DMC Worldwide, chill out and meet with NTO and Airlines event. The Wonder of Tourism 2023. To give members the opportunity to meet and to create a good relationship between members and airlines, embassies, NTOs, and various organizations. Development of information systems, improve and develop the website of the Thai Travel Services Association to be more modern. The income of the association and business opportunities for members. Organized TITF Business Matching 2023. And most recently, TITF Business Matching 2024 on the 24th of January 2024 with more than 200 sellers participating, which was a meeting to negotiate and exchange business ideas with tourism partners from domestic and international. Organized the 28th Travel Around Thailand Around the World event on the 16th to the 19th of February 2023 and organized the 29th Travel Around Thailand Around the World event on the 25th to the 28th of January 2024 at Queen Sirikit National Convention Center for stimulate and promote marketing. There are many domestic and international organizations participating. Member development. Membership work. As a result of our dedicated work over the past year, TTAA has been able to increase the number of members from 803 to 1,010. Organizing agents' educational trip. Cooperate with government agencies, embassy, tourism promotion organization, and other agencies in organizing travel route surveys such as TTAA Fam Trip Malaysia activities, TTAA Fam Trip Japan activities to explore the tour routes of the Kyushu region, Saga and Nagasaki provinces. TTAA Fam Trip activities Perak, Malaysia, together with the Mata Perak Association on the 16th to the 21st of July 2023. TTAA Fam Trip activities Georgia on the 7th to the 14th of November 2023. TTAA Fam Trip activities Burma, together with the UMTA Association on the 24th to the 28th of November 2023. Training Management organized training for members in various courses, focusing on the benefits that members will receive from training, including topics that are of interest to members and consistent with the business situation. Support activities in regional clubs. Cooperate with the TTAA Chapter Travel Club in all 4 regions to promote the work of members in other provinces. Image and relationships between organizations. Organizing the NTO Club meeting at the Royal Orchid Sheraton Hotel to update travel information for Thai tourists, travel statistics, needs, destinations ones want to travel, including information about important activities of the association, as well as building good relationships between the association and tourism organization agencies by having the honor of participating in 9 embassies. Tourism agencies participating in 11 agencies. Airline participating in 16 agencies. A total of 36 agencies as of the 16th of June 2023. TTAA, together with TTAA Foundation for Humanity, organize CSR activities to repair playgrounds and improve learning buildings at Ban Rong Luang Child Development Center and Siri Sukharam School, Bangsai District, Pranakon Siyayutthaya Province, on the 8th of September 2023. It was honored by the Diplomatic Corps from the Embassy of Kazakhstan, tourism promotion organizations from China, Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, and the Philippines, Thai Airways, and members of the TTAA and the Association of Domestic Travel (ADT), totaling a traveling group of 85 people, donating the cost of playground repairs and learning building improvement in the amount of 147,250 baht. Sign a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to work with various associations, both domestically and abroad, to strengthen the image, including greater international performance. Welcoming and accepting invitations from travel agencies to strengthen tourism business cooperation and continue to build good relationships. Attend the official ceremony and participate in activities from various countries and join the anniversary of the relationship between Thailand and other countries. In addition, we attended meetings with organizations related to national tourism, as well as government and private sector units.